friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing great. We have some cheap Rite Aid, cheap Dollar General, and just a couple more like midweek things over at Walgreens. I know that's probably why most of you are here, so we'll dive right into that. Oh, and Easter clearance. And believe it or not, these cat toys are part of Easter. Oh, I could see what my cat was doing. 90% off at Meijer grocery stores and at Hobby Lobby. I do not decorate or celebrate too much for Easter, so it's not my decor, but little cat toys like this for 60 cents. I think the original price was $6.99. I bought 2 of these, and this little guy can't get enough of them. He already has another one that he's playing with, but this one I think I'm gonna hide after I get off this video. But this is Gizmo, our kitten. He's about six months old, and he loves these, but he already has 2 in the other room. You wanna say hi to everybody? Oh, you're such a good boy. Okay, the weather report for you guys. I know a lot of you love it. The weather report, about 50 degrees outside. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. Okay, so let's dive right into Walgreens. Okay, so if you remember on my Sunday video, I was like, I got these classy toothbrushes. Ho, there's a little bit more to this. Go to your IBOTTA account and see if you might have a $2 rebate back for you can do up to 3 times. You're gonna get an extra $6, making this little dealio a $6 or an $8 moneymaker for you. Even if you did the deal on Sunday, it's up to a week that you can submit your receipt to IBOTTA, but double, triple check that you have the IBOTTA rebate for $2 back when you buy these Oral-B brushes. It's reset for me now twice, so I was able to get that $6 twice. So just to give you this deal again, these toothbrushes are $3 a pop, so that's $9. We have a 6 off of 3. Alternatively, right now there's a 3 off of 2. That 6 off of 3 was only loadable on Sunday. You would pay with the 6 off of 3, 3 out of pocket, then get back a $5 register reward, and yes, that printed for me. Register rewards are printing and scanning, no problems, no issues. And then you're also getting back $2 from IBOTTA times 3, meaning $6. 2, 4, 6. Now, if you might only have that 3 off of 2, double, triple check that you have that $2 back IBOTTA rebate. 3 of them is $9. Subtracting that 3 off of 2, you're paying 6 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward, $2 back from IBOTTA times 3, that's $6 back. It makes it free plus a $5 money maker. Make this happen right away. So with Dove on this one store card, I didn't do it all last week. I had a 7 off of 2 that I used on Sunday. Or no, I had a 7 off of 2 that I loaded on Sunday. And I had a 7 off of 2 from last week. Like I didn't use my digital coupons. I don't know why. So I did this in 2 separate transactions. 2 of these are $14 on the nose. We have a 7 off 2. So I paid 7 out of pocket. I rolled some Walgreens cash. And then I got back a $4 register reward, and yes, it printed twice for me. So it makes it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per body wash for Dove. That is a no-brainer. So just make these deals happen, guys. It's quite terrific. If you caught my video from yesterday about bags and sizes and shrinkflation happening with toilet paper, I know that Dollar General will be at their next clearance event, whenever that should be happening. They're changing like things like that $5. They're going to be changing a lot of the packaging and stuff so they can have more flexibility with us at the store, I'm assuming. So this is over the last couple days. Yes, I have been stockpiling a little bit of toilet paper, not too much, but just enough that, you know, I'm covered. So grabbing 3 of these for $15, we have that $1.25 IVC, so it subtracts $3.75. You're paying $11.25, or throw in $10 of Walgreens cash and pay $1.25. It's a really good stock up price. I know savings at Dollar General is no longer a thing, and they used to have an instant savings of spend 20 save 4 on Scott Kleenex Viva. That's gone. So I think something is probably in the works for June over at the Walgreens. So just be smart about it, guys. It is time to stock up. Looking ahead at next week's deals, yes, there is an IBC for the month of May. I'm just trying to get ahead of this to get a couple of these, and I do supply toilet paper for our family, my in-laws, and yeah, typically when I see my mother-in-law, I probably give her this much, if not a lot more toilet paper, so just to try to help her out. Anyhow, that was Walgreens. The store that we have is Dollar General. This is an any day deal. I had to put the fabric softener sheets in this plastic bag because that is strong. So Mr. Colgate, found in the regular dental care aisle, is $1. His friend right here is $2.35. So adding the two up together, that is $3.35. We have a $2 digital for this guy and a $1.25 digital for this guy, making it 10 cents. How fantastic is that? At this other store I was visiting, they had these Lysols that have been on clearance forever. They're $1.20. We have one 50-cent digital, plus the overage from this. I applied for that one. So just to go through the math for this will be the long shot to find these. But if you find them, definitely, you have a 50-cent coupon. It would make it super uber cheap. $1.20 a pop, so that's $2.40 for the two, $1 for this, that's $3.40 for the mix. We have a $2 for this, a digital, and then a 50-cent for that. So it made it 90 cents for the 3 items, or 30 cents each. I'm totally a-okay fine with that. Okay guys, so here's something weird. That 50-cent digital for the Lysol is gone. Although there is one on coupons.com, so if you want to apply that way, by all means go for it. Here is the UPC if you wish to find this guy in your store. It's kind of a hard one to find, but I find them once in a while. Every blue moon I find them. Anyhow, here's the matchup for this one. Is Rite Aid, and I was in and out of a bunch of these stores. I was either finding these clearance body washes, and this is the 18 fluid ounce, see where my thumb is, for $1.37 or $1.24. Somebody was wrestling with that one. So unfortunately, the coupon inside of the flyer is for 20 ounces or larger. Unfortunately, that flyer coupon will not scan because these are 18 ounces. So I am assuming Colgate is just going to larger bottles, not these 18 ounces. But there is a coupon in the Smart Source, and it scans with this. I think it's like very specific with the soft soap, but Irish Spring, it's not specific in this one, but the bar soap is a separate coupon as well. Maybe read the verbiage of your coupons very carefully before you head out to the store, but it makes it either 37 cents or 24 cents, which is super uber cheap for Irish Spring. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and sorry, my video, the card ran out, so I have this weird still. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.